The Richmond MBA, a premier graduate program for working professionals like you. Offered by the Robbins School of Business at the University of Richmond, this part-time 2-year MBA positions you for that next step in your career. Classes are intimate, collaborative, and in-person on purpose. Because we believe hands-on learning in a collaborative environment is essential for deep understanding, critical thinking, and real-world skill building. The Richmond MBA faculty are not just business experts, they're also proven industry leaders ready to share their insights and their networks. And your classmates will be immediate career connections. Through the Richmond MBA, you'll create and implement real-world solutions for Richmond-area and international businesses through residencies and capstone projects. Online courses are everywhere. In-person learning is everything. The Richmond MBA.